Donna Lee here at Phillips Chevrolet with Shauna Wana and her daughter. We have had an awesome time here today. Shauna just purchased not a 2015, not a 2014 or 15, but a 2016 Chevy Cruze here at Phillips Chevrolet in Lansing, Illinois. Shauna, how was your experience here today?
Great. That's all I can say. The whole staff is great. This woman here, Phillips Chevrolet, this is your angel. And Justin too. I have to put them in now. This is your angel, them too. I love them all, the whole staff. Even the guy who's holding the camera. They all sweet. When you want a real deal, no haggling, no all that. You're going to call, you get 100 pieces of paper, come here. Please come here.
Thank you, and daughter.
It was great. Everything was great. I like the
Good. Well, that's what we're doing here at Phillips Chevrolet for our family. Thank you so much. We appreciate you, daughter. We appreciate you. We hug here. All right, this is Donna at Phillips Chevrolet. Come to 17730 Torrance Avenue, Lansing,